He said, losses are normal in combat, but the pilots are back home. The objectives of the mission have been achieved. What is said unsaid is very clear. Second, जनरल चौहान साहब आज जो स्टेटमेंट दिए उन्होंने भी बताया कि फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट इज शॉट डाउन. So what assessment I have is really not so important in the numbers. Obviously I will not have. I'm a civilian now. I was a fighter pilot once, but I'm a civilian now, so I won't have the exact numbers. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow if government comes up with this statement, we have suffered this number of losses and all. So how, as a you have yourself been, as you said, fighter pilot. So how is going to help us in the future combats, future conflicts? If tomorrow government comes up with this statement, this number of losses we have suffered, this kind of jets we have lost. So as a fighter pilot, tell us how it's going to benefit us in the future combats.
So what we are saying is the government could have been transparent. Instead, when these questions were raised by the leading opposition party, they accused us of being anti-national and anti-patriotic. That is what should concern you. You must really be worried about that. Why were they trying to deny it or trying to make allegations against us? That is what every citizen of this country should think. Again and again we are saying, I think it was a decisive victory. I think our armed forces did a devastating impact on Pakistan. I think a wonderful job. We're all proud of it. But when some questions were asked, why was there some, when a question was asked, why was allegation made on us? That also you must kindly think of. Thank you very much.
Sir.